Hi, it's Michael here. How you guys doing? So, please pardon the background noise. I'm going on a tour to Cross River State, Obudu. It's a tour and it makes everything more exciting. We just arrived and hi there, good morning and welcome to the second day of my stay at Obudu Ranch. And before I start this video, I'm going to say that this trip is by Obudu Travels. I'm out on Instagram. So as you can see, everywhere it's really cold. Like very cool. As of the time of making this video, the time is 7:35 a.m. This place is really cool that you have to put on your cardigan, sweater or whatever throughout. If you have your socks, put it on, but I slept without socks. So
now I gotta do that something like that. Hey.
hi there, good morning and welcome to the third day of my stay at Obudu Ranch. As of the time of making this video, the time is 8:40. It's quite a sunny day today. God bless, because this place is always cold. Do not forget that this trip is by Obudu Travel, so you might want to check them out on Instagram and make your dream vacation come true. So yesterday we saw lots of places, lots of beautiful places, and today is another day to tour around, and trust me, to capture those beautiful moments. Currently at the highest mountain here at Obudu Ranch. Hi, so I am currently at the holy ground. So, in as much as I like this place, the statues can be really scary. I mean, hello, sir. Imagine it says, "Hello, God." Awesome. Oh, awesome. Hi, and welcome to my fourth day here at Obudu Ranch. But sadly, it's actually my last day here. I don't want to go back. I don't want to go back. But then I came for a tour and I have to go back. It was quite an experience. It was quite a beautiful experience. You should come here and Otu travels to make that come true for you. You know this. The views here, they are so beautiful. The houses, the food, especially, is tasty, very delicious. I have so many good things to say about this place. It's neat. Oh, fuck. Oh. Well, anyways, you should be here. I think everyone should experience something like this. Everyone should see what God created. Now, here we God finish work. Hope say when I know that pigeon though. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. I think there should be a thank you for the moments captured here. I mean, I literally brought you guys to the cattle ranch, even though you guys weren't here. So please do not forget. And it's a goodbye from me to you until next time. Bye.